In this video, we'll learn about the AI Agent Gambit. AI Agent Gambits are powerful conversation building blocks that can perform tasks and use tools, as well as handle intelligent conversations. Let me add a new gambit. And let's go inside the modal. From this drop-down menu, I'm going to select AI-agent. You can already see that this looks very familiar and similar to the Q&A gambit. That's because AI Agent Gambits and Q&A gambits share many similarities. The key difference is that while Q&A gambits are great at answering questions from a knowledge base, AI Agent Gambits have the additional capacity of using tools and providing more dynamic responses. Let me show you how to set up your Agent Gambit. First, give your Agent Gambit a name. I'm going to call it TARS_AI. Now we'll change the base prompt. For this example, I'm going to use this AI Agent Gambit as a company representative for the TARS website, so it can answer questions about TARS. Let me paste my prompt. Let's take a look at the prompt that I've given. I've described the agent's role and personality, and I've told it how to answer, and I've instructed it on what to do when it doesn't have an answer to the user's question or if it doesn't understand the question. We don't need to dive too deep into the prompt right now since we'll cover prompting in another video. Now I'll save this and head into the default messages section and add the default messages. These work the same as with the Q&A gambit. They're just like the basic gambit messages and they'll appear irrespective of the AI's answer. The welcome message is going to ask a question like, "How can I help you?" When the user responds to this message with a question, that's when the AI in this gambit gets triggered and starts following the instructions given in the base prompt. Yeah, that's better. And for the recurring message, I'm going to write, "Great. Now this is done, let's go back to the main settings tab. For this agent to follow its instructions well, it needs to know what TARS is since it is representing TARS. But you can see that the AI Agent Gambit modal doesn't have a knowledge base option like the Q&A gambit did. So we're going to add the knowledge base in another way by using knowledge as a tool. I'll save this and I'll add another gambit. In the drop-down menu, I'm going to select AI-tool. And in this selection, I am going to scroll down till I find knowledge. Knowledge as a tool is available in all accounts by default, and for uploading a new knowledge base, you need to follow the same process as with our Q&A gambits, which we discussed in our last video. The same knowledge bases or any uploaded knowledge bases will be visible in this drop-down menu as well. So I'll select the TARS website, click Done, and save this gambit. And I'll connect this knowledge tool to the AI gambit like this. Now let's go back to the gambit modal. There are several settings available here. You can change the LLM model, toggle chat history on or off, or change the temperature and enable things like markdown, view source, and also show tool events. Let's save this and test the front end of the agent. I'm going to loop it back like this. And let's publish and test it. So great, it's given me the welcome message. I'll ask it a question now. Great. So the AI Agent Gambit works independently and can provide intelligent responses based on its training. And this is how you set up an AI Agent Gambit. We have covered one aspect of making an AI Agent Gambit work well by giving it the tool of a knowledge base so it has the right information when answering user queries or questions. The other aspect of making it work well is by providing task-related tools that basically help the agent perform actions or tasks. And yes, you can connect multiple tools to your AI Agent Gambits to enhance their functionality and responses, including knowledge tools and task tools. In our next video, we are going to learn about setting up task related tools to make our AI agents more sophisticated.